A young boy named Neil lies in a field. He's gazing up at the stars with a sense of wonder. Neil dreams of flying among the stars. The night sky sparks Neil's imagination and aspirations. Neil is passionate about aviation and space. He spends his time building model airplanes. His room is filled with books about aviation. This reflects his curiosity about flight. Neil's interest is evident in his hobbies and reading materials. Neil began taking flying lessons during his teenage years. These lessons took place at an airfield. This demonstrates Neil's early interest in aviation. The lessons also highlight Neil's determination to learn how to fly. Neil's early piloting skills were developed through these lessons. This was a crucial step in Neil's journey towards becoming a pilot. Neil is dedicated to studying engineering. He is also learning about space travel. Neil is preparing for his future. His hard work reflects his commitment to his goals. Astronaut candidates undergo intensive physical conditioning to endure the harsh conditions of space. Mental resilience is cultivated through rigorous simulations and problem-solving exercises. This comprehensive training program demands unwavering commitment from aspiring astronauts. The goal is to prepare individuals for the extreme challenges and responsibilities of space missions. The simulator provides a controlled environment for practicing spacecraft piloting skills. Pilots can refine their techniques without the risks associated with actual spaceflight. The simulation allows for repeated practice of critical maneuvers and emergency procedures. Piloting skills are honed through realistic scenarios within the simulator. The goal is to achieve mastery in spacecraft operation, preparing pilots for real missions. The NASA team collaborates closely to prepare for the Apollo 11 mission launch. Effective teamwork is essential for the success of this complex operation. Each member contributes specialized skills and knowledge to the mission's objectives. Coordinated efforts ensure all systems are ready for the historic lunar voyage. The Saturn V rocket represents a significant achievement in engineering and space exploration. Its launch symbolizes the culmination of extensive research, development, and collaborative effort. The rocket's sheer size and power were essential for propelling astronauts beyond Earth's orbit. It was specifically designed to carry the Apollo missions to the Moon. The Saturn V remains one of the most powerful and iconic rockets ever built. Its legacy continues to inspire advancements in space technology and exploration. A rocket launches, carrying Neil and his crew. The rocket's destination is the Moon. The launch is filled with excitement and anticipation. The crew embarks on a journey to space. The spacecraft serves as the crew's habitat and operational base during their space journey. Inside, the crew actively works, performing tasks essential for navigation and mission success. Navigation involves precise calculations and adjustments to maintain the correct trajectory. The crew's focus is on reaching their intended destination in space. A spacecraft is in orbit around the Moon. The orbit provides a clear view of the lunar surface. The lunar surface is detailed and expansive. The view is breathtaking from the spacecraft's vantage point. The spacecraft maintains a stable position in orbit. This allows for continuous observation of the Moon. Astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin are preparing for the descent. They are inside the lunar module, a specialized spacecraft. The lunar module is designed for landing on the Moon's surface. The mission's objective is to explore the lunar environment. The lunar module is designed for landing on the Moon. It represents a significant achievement in space exploration. The module's gentle touchdown ensures a safe landing. This event marks a historic moment in lunar missions. The landing facilitates further exploration of the lunar surface. It provides a platform for scientific research and discovery. The first step on the Moon marks a pivotal moment in human history. This event signifies humanity's first physical contact with another celestial body. The lunar dust preserves the footprint, symbolizing this monumental achievement. This step represents a culmination of scientific progress and human ambition. It inspires future generations to explore beyond Earth's boundaries. The planting of the American flag on the Moon symbolizes a monumental achievement. It represents a significant milestone in human exploration. The flag serves as a marker of national pride and accomplishment. It embodies the spirit of adventure and the pursuit of knowledge. The event is a testament to human ingenuity and ambition in space exploration. Astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin are conducting an exploratory mission on the moon's surface. The astronauts are actively engaged in collecting geological samples from the lunar terrain. These samples are intended for scientific analysis back on Earth. Experiments are being performed to gather data about the moon's environment. The experiments aim to expand our understanding of lunar conditions and properties. The mission contributes to humanity's broader scientific knowledge of space. An astronaut stands on the surface of the moon. He gazes out into the vast expanse of space. In the distance, he sees Earth. Earth appears as a small, blue planet. The astronaut is filled with awe at the sight. Astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin are inside the lunar module. They are preparing for the ascent phase of their mission. The lunar module is set to return to the command module in lunar orbit. This rendezvous is a critical step for their journey back to Earth. The spacecraft is en route back to Earth. The crew reflects on their extraordinary journey. They contemplate the challenges overcome during the mission. The crew anticipates their return and the sharing of their experiences. The spacecraft re-enters Earth's atmosphere after completing its mission. Parachutes deploy to slow the spacecraft's descent. The spacecraft impacts the ocean's surface, creating a splash. This controlled landing ensures the safe recovery of the spacecraft and its contents. The successful splashdown signifies the mission's completion. The crew is placed in a secure quarantine facility upon return. This is a standard procedure to prevent potential contamination. The primary concern is the possible introduction of lunar microbes. These microbes, if present, could pose unknown risks to Earth's ecosystem. Quarantine allows for thorough monitoring and testing. The goal is to ensure the crew is free of any extraterrestrial biological agents. Neil and his crew are celebrated in a public parade. The parade recognizes their achievements and contributions. The celebration aims to honor Neil and the crew. Their actions serve as an inspiration to people worldwide. The parade highlights their positive impact on a global scale. Neil is at home, gazing at the stars. He is contemplating his dream. He is also thinking about his journey. The stars trigger memories of his experiences. He reflects on the significance of his path. The night sky serves as a backdrop for his introspection. Neil Armstrong achieved his dream of going to the moon. His journey exemplifies the power of believing in oneself. Armstrong's success demonstrates that no dream is unattainable. Self-belief is key to overcoming challenges and achieving ambitious goals. Therefore, maintain faith in your abilities and pursue your dreams relentlessly. The channel tagline encapsulates the core mission and values of the content. It serves as a memorable and concise summary of the channel's identity. Young Hero Tales focuses on narratives centered around courageous young individuals. The tagline aims to inspire young minds by showcasing true stories of valor and resilience.